everyone, Katie here with rentportlandhomes.com, and we are here at 7729 Southeast Herald Street in Portland. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. This home does have a rent-me box on it, so you can view it on your own time whenever you would like. So in this entryway, beautiful floors throughout this unit. My favorite parts, lots of natural light from your patio back here. You can check that out. You do have access to this beautiful grassy yard. Plenty of room outside. Going back into the home. Again, those beautiful floors all the way throughout. Right in here to your cute kitchen, all brand new appliances. Brand new cabinets. Brand new countertops. This unit has been completely redone. Here in the hallway, we have a nice little closet for storage. Down here on the right, large bedroom, plenty of closet space, light from the windows. You actually have 2 closets here. And again, we have cabinets down here at the end of the hall for more storage. And off to our right, same with the bathroom, completely redone. Waterproof flooring in here. Adorable little vanity with sink. So this unit is practically brand new. Off to one of the second bedrooms. Again, plenty of light from your windows, large closets, and that beautiful flooring throughout. And our third and final bedroom over here. Plenty of light from that window, large closet, and a nice view of the grassy yard. So this unit is currently available. Again, it has that rent-me box. You can come check it out and see it for yourself. It really is an adorable unit. And again, this is 7729 Southeast Herald Street. Very conveniently located. And you can check it out at rentportlandhomes.com.